going on, guys? This is Paco Wooly, Paco Wooly's Food Reviews. That's me, the YouTuber Paco Wooly, and so today we're gonna review Taco Ocho. So we got this taco, and it has a lot of good stuff in there, and I got myself this with the beans and rice, and then we have potatoes with it, and then it comes with his salsas and all that. So what I'm gonna try first is the beans, and I recommend trying it and all that and everything. Excuse me if I sound like this, just ignore it. But still, we're gonna try the beans. It has good flavor, and I recommend trying it and all that and everything. But it still has good flavor to it and everything. So we're gonna have the salsa in there, a little dab, and then we're gonna try it with a taco that's like flour tortillas. And we're gonna try it. Look at this. See, it is delicious. It really is delicious. It just tastes like you can enjoy having a taco without no meat, and it's just delicious, and I recommend trying it. It's like heaven, and it's delicious, guys, and when the thumbs up means I enjoy it. It was good. I know it's like I'm doing a food review at home for the first time for something different, but it's just I want to change it up. And that's all, but stay tuned for our next food review. That's tomorrow. We're going to a nice fancy place in downtown Dallas. I know you can't forget water when you have it with a drink. Is like, you gotta stay hydrated, and if you don't stay hydrated, then you can't enjoy the good meal of food. And just also have good flavor and makes you feel like you're at home and and at peace and everything. And I'm gonna try this. This is with the rice and beans and like guacamole and everything in it. We're gonna try it with a salsa. We're gonna have a little dab it in. That's good. I recommend trying it and all that. But thank you all for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our Paco Wooly Food Reviews YouTube channel. Be sure to subscribe to stay tuned on our next food review for tomorrow, and thank you all for watching, and ignore what I'm what you're seeing me do and all, okay? But thank you all for watching. Like and comment, subscribe, Puggly out by Pug Squad. Peace. Next food review by and delicious. Peace.